Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you some customization of Samsung mobile. That is, suppose this Google bar is here, we want to customize it and we want to see it in some different color, or we want to, I will tell you in the video what can be done with this Google bar. And suppose this arrow and this home button, if you do not want to see this, what you have to do. So this all and some other hidden setting I will also cover in this video, although I am not feeling well, but I will cover it. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to this channel, you are kindly requested to subscribe this channel. So just coming to the topic, suppose you want to customize this Google bar, then what you need to do, just type it here, then this will open, then tap it the profile button, then go to the settings, then go to the search widget, then customize widget. Now from here you can customize this Google bar. How? Just go to the Google, and if you select this, the Google will like this. If you select this, it will come like this. Suppose we are selecting it and saving it, then we will go back to the there. Here you can see that it has changed. Now just tap on Google, go to here, go to settings, go to search widget, then customize widget. Then suppose this was the first icon, is the second. We will see this is the shape of this Google bar. If you want select, this will like this. If you select this, this will like this. If it is this is like this. Suppose I am selecting this, so just go back. Now we will come to the third. Here it is without any color, it will come black, and here you can change the colors, how it will look. Suppose you are going with this one or this one, and this is the saturation, this one, and just go back. You need to do this or this, it is up to you. So which way you want to see your mobile, please set on that and then save it. When you will go to the here, now you can see it has changed. So depending upon your choice, you can set this bar. So this was the first thing I wanted to tell you. Now coming to the second, if you do not want to see this, and if you want to change the style of this, what we need to do, just go to the setting, then go to the display, and then come down, and here you will see navigation bar. Here swipe gesture is there, just select it. Okay, now you will see that here nothing is there, but if you gently push this like this, then this will come and you can choose this. Okay, this type. Here you can see nothing is coming on. If you want to revert it back, just go there, go to display, go to the navigation bar, then you can switch on gesture hint also. Then you will see a bar here. See one line is coming. If you push this line up slightly, then it will be come. So now we will just go to the display and go to the navigation bar, and we will go back to the buttons. So this is how you can hide these bar. So this was the second thing I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Please share it with your friends so that they can also be benefited. Thank you very much, guys.